How to unlink Bixby from a device on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, you want to scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Next, tap on Bixby. Then scroll down and tap on unlink device. Then here it says once unlink, this device will be removed from your account and you have to sign in again to use Bixby. So tap on the unlink button to proceed. Now I'm not going to unlink now as I still need to use Bixby, so I'm going to tap on cancel. But if you want to go ahead and tap on the unlink button, it will allow you to unlink this device from Bixby account. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.